So, ayun guys, ilagay na natin yung ating onions after blend. Okay. Oh, look at that. Maraming onions. Marami yatang onions. Tapos konti lang yung ating chicken. Pero anyways, maganda naman yung maraming onion. Tapos maraming garlic, maraming loya, ginger. Ayan. So, naka-ready na siya guys. Hintayin natin siyang mag-brown ang mag-brown. So, ayan. Naka-ready na rin yung ating mga inex. Ito, inex natin. Bago yung ating chicken powder, curry. Chicken curry, curry powder ang tawag doon, curry powder. So ngayon, fry muna natin yung onions. Gagawa tayo ng chicken curry. Ganyan talaga guys, kasi paborito nilang chicken curry. So, yun ang lagi natin gagawin. Yun, look at that, wow.